Men's grooming kit. 3 different attachments are perfect for all facial hairstyles: hair clipper, beard trimmer, detail trimmer for hair clipping, detail trimming, mustaches, sideburns, goatees, stubble, other face body hair. Ceramic titanium blade. High-carbon self-sharpening blades are precision ground to stay sharp longer, provide high-performance precision to achieve any style and prevent skin irritation for long-lasting durability. Complete set of attachment guards. 1 precision dial from 3 mm to 8 mm, 5 DEGREE tunable blade from 0.5 mm to 2.5 mm, 6 guide combs, 3 mm, 4 to 6 mm, 7 to 9 mm, 10 to 12 mm, 16 to 18 mm, 22 to 24 mm, to achieve a wide variety of hairstyles and lengths. Battery powerful and durable motor. 2 powerful, long-lasting rechargeable battery with a runtime of up to 2.5 hours after just 90 minutes of charging. Quiet, low-noise, superior performance haircut machine. LCD display. Battery capacity. Charging state of the battery is displayed in % lock symbol. Self-sharpening blades. The blades are precision ground to stay sharp longer, provide high-performance precision to achieve any style and prevent skin irritation for long-lasting durability. Top reviews from the United States. Love, love, love. The battery lasts forever, it's super easy to use and hold. I absolutely love this little thing. I just looked up a tutorial on YouTube for how to do military haircuts, and now my fiancé and I save $30 each time he needs a haircut. If you're contemplating, then just do it because it is so worth it.